Chinese dramas have gained immense popularity worldwide due to their unique storytelling, captivating plots, and cultural richness. Here are the top 10 most viewed Chinese dramas that have captivated audiences globally. 10. You Are My Glory. Yang Yang and Dilraba Dilmurat star in this series based on a novel. It's about two former high school classmates who reconnect years later. The girl, now a famous model and actress, realizes she still has feelings for the boy, who is now an engineer. Their story of love and rediscovery unfolds as they navigate their new lives. The show features a lot of back and forth between the main characters as they reconnect and face new challenges. This dynamic, combined with fresh drama, makes it engaging to watch multiple times. 9. Legend of Fuyao. Legend of Fuyao is a thrilling Chinese drama you'll want to watch again and again. It has lots of political drama, but also features captivating relationships and emotional stories. Fuyao, the main character, grows from a stubborn slave girl into a powerful woman who finds her strength and courage to bring justice to the world. 8. A Love So Beautiful. A Love So Beautiful, this 23-episode series, categorized under romance, comedy, and coming of age, follows the story of school classmate. A cheerful girl falls for a perfect guy known for his good looks and high grades. The show primarily focuses on their high school life and adventures with classmates, but it also transitions into their adult lives. If you enjoy sweet and simple stories, this cute and heartwarming drama is a must-watch. 7. The King's Woman. The King's Woman is a historical romance series with 48 episodes, featuring Dilraba Dilmurat as Gongsun Li, Win Zhang as Ying Sheng, and Li Tai as Ha Shen. Set in ancient times, it tells the story of Gongsun Li, the granddaughter of a military commander. When her home is thrown into chaos, she flees with her childhood friend, and they fall in love. When he gets injured, Gongsun Li marries Ying Sheng, the king, to get the medicine he needs. The show is filled with themes of betrayal, love, revenge, and intrigue. 6. My Girlfriend is an Alien. My Girlfriend is an Alien is a popular Chinese drama that was released on August 19, 2019. It has 2 seasons and can be watched on Viki Rakuten and MX Player. The show has an IMDb rating of 8.3/10. The series is a romantic comedy with some thrilling episodes. It tells the story of an alien girl who gets lost on Earth. She meets a wealthy entrepreneur, and the story explores whether they will fall in love and if she will stay on Earth forever. To find out what happens, watch both seasons of My Girlfriend is an Alien. 5. Hidden Love. This romantic drama quickly became the gateway show for people who had never seen AC drama before. The heartwarming story follows Sang Ji, who falls in love with her brother's best friend, Duan Jaksu, as a child. Even though they drift apart over the years, the two reunite when she joins the same university as him. Will Sang Ji's years-old love for Duan Jaksu return, and will he reciprocate her feelings now? You'll just have to watch the show to find out. 4. Ashes of Love. Ashes of Love is a fantasy romance about Jinmi, a flower deity who loses her memory and unknowingly falls for Zhu Feng, the crown prince destined to become a dark god. Their love story mirrors the tragic myth of the cowherd and weaver girl, two lovers separated by the heavens. The stunning costumes and settings create a magical world, but the highlight is the emotional romance brought to life by Deng Lung and Yang Zi's performances. Zhu Feng's unwavering love for Jinmi, despite her rejection and misunderstandings, is truly heartbreaking and will capture your heart. 3. Nirvana in Fire. Nirvana in Fire is a 54-episode historical drama based on He Yan's novel. It tells the story of a betrayal that led to the deaths of 70,000 loyal soldiers, and how one survivor returns to seek revenge. Set during the chaotic era of the northern and southern dynasties in China, this intense drama features a complex plot, stunning cinematography, top-notch action, and intriguing characters. Often compared to Game of Thrones, the series is a must-watch for its incredible storytelling and visual beauty. 2. The Untamed. The Untamed was a big hit both in China and internationally. People loved its exciting story, complex characters, and beautiful costumes and makeup. The show follows two close friends as they solve mysteries related to a terrible past event. In the original story, the two main male characters had a direct romantic relationship, but this was changed to subtle hints in the show because of China's rules against LGBT content. It became one of the highest-earning dramas of 2019 and is now considered a classic, often mentioned as one of the best Chinese dramas in recent years. 1. Eternal Love. Eternal Love, also known as 10 Miles of Peach Blossoms, with 58 episodes, this romance, fantasy, and gangster drama is incredibly popular, with over 50 billion views, making it the most watched TV drama in China. Based on a novel by Tang Chi, the series is perfect for those who enjoy stories about gods, goddesses, immortals, and demons. Even if fantasy or historical genres aren't your usual favorites, you'll likely be captivated by this epic romance that spans thousands of years and multiple lifetimes. The story follows the love between a fox spirit and the crown prince of the heavens. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe and get notified.